When we were bringing Second Step to our school, what we did was we brought together a team and we talked about not only the logistics of the rollout, but we talked about why and how important it was to really support the students' social, emotional, and academic skills. With any rollout in terms of staff buy-in, it's really important that you not only give the overview of how the program works, but the why. When you're working with young adolescents on a daily basis, supporting them through their growth and through their social and emotional needs, the way that Second Step does, is so important. So I think that the biggest part in terms of rolling it out for our staff was not only the logistics, the time, the space, the why. Why are we bringing this program to our school? We did explain that we had a committee that was brought together. We looked at several products that were out there in terms of the market. It became all the more apparent why we brought this program to our building, and we're really happy that we did.